Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am in Isles of Lake Nona. I've been featuring this community recently, and we are right off of Narcoossee Road near the intersection of Narcoossee and Boggy Creek, past the Osceola County line and into Orange County. We're actually in Orlando, but the area is known as Lake Nona. The house behind me, we're looking at Pulte product. This is a home manufactured by Pulte Homes. They're a great, reputable builder in the area. They're also nationwide. But this house is called the Yorkshire. It's roughly around 3,400 square feet, so it's a pretty nice size home. We've got a little canopy entryway behind me. I would be out further so you could see more of a perspective view of the front of the home, but it's raining and it was pouring earlier. Typical Florida shower. It's still sprinkling, so I don't want to get the camera wet. But hey, thank you guys for all of the support you've been giving to the channel. It means a lot. The channel's growing. I'm very excited to continue to bring you more content. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, hit the notification icon, the bell down below. All of these things help with the metrics of growing this channel so I can keep bringing you content like this. It's quite the task to get out here and keep it going the way I have, but I intend to keep bringing more and more and more. So I hope you've been enjoying it. Leave a comment down below. Let's check out the home.